Alright guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted Fang grill set. This is a double Fang set. Double on top, double on the bottom. However, you can get this just for the top or just for the bottom. It is 925 solid sterling silver with gold plating. Show you the back side. These have the back bars connecting the fangs together. It is available on our website, blingcartel.com. Beautiful handmade work, made by hand, double fangs, real custom grills. Pointy vampire teeth on each side. Check us out, guys. It's available at blingcartel.com. Thanks for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.